Today I want to talk about total rows in checkbox, and we can go to Table Design tab and select Total Row checkbox, and just like that we have a total row in our table. And it's important that this total row use SUBTOTAL function. It means that she sees filters. So let's for example add a small filter, and you can see a smaller number here. So just like that we have some. There is another way to add a total row to a table. Just go one row below the table and use Alt = shortcut, and we will get a sum, but because it's a table we will get subtotal sum, so we will see filters. And we can change the inside function in SUBTOTAL function just by our drop down list here. We can, for example, count anything, any not empty cells, or we can count numbers. So for example, let's count Salesman's. So count function, and we're still using SUBTOTAL function but with different function number. And we can also use text. So in those cells in total row we don't have to put SUBTOTAL function, we can put some other function or just text. And for example I can write, here we have a count, here we have a sum, and both of those functions still see filters. But we have a small problem with our total row. It's on the end of our table. So for example, if I will add more data to our table and I will turn on again total row, we have updated sum and count, but I have to go to the end row, the last row. So how can I see our total values at the top of our data? We can just add few rows here. Then I would like to copy headers, and then I can just copy the total row, whole row, and just copy and paste, and I have here just SUBTOTAL function that refer my table, the proper columns. And just like that I can have, for example, total row at the top of our data and at the bottom.